Baby, where you getting it? Baby, where you getting it? How you doing? What's up, what pop, y'all? It's your girl Yana, and this is where I sincerely teach millennials on how to invest in their dreams, interests, and sustain self-help strategies. So today's an interest. It's a beauty haul, basically. I wanted to try this website for like the longest of time. If you're a YouTuber or you've been on YouTube for a while, or you watch a lot of YouTubers, you have heard of this company before, and it's called Miss A, or shopmissa.com. And shopmissa.com has like jewelry and beauty goods for $1. So it's kind of like a beauty dollar store, drugstore type of website. And so I just want to do a review on it real quick and show y'all what I got or what not. And then if you're interested in my lip color, if you're interested in that lip color right there, it is this color right here. I actually recently just got this from Ulta, and it's Makeup Revolution in I Heart Chocolate, and it actually kind of smells like hot cocoa. And so I just came home, y'all, so my nose look a little red. It's because it's cold outside, and I literally just got home. So here's the packing slip. It looks like I ordered it on the 19th. And today is the 29th. It came bubble wrapped. So if you order like eyeshadows, it'll be really secure, because look at this bubble wrap. I didn't really buy anything that was fragile. So that's good to know for y'all who want to order like eyeshadows and stuff. Dude, y'all, I was just thinking in the car, like, I really want some French fries with some shrimp and some crisp chicken tenders. Oh, and I was like, look, y'all, I was like, with a little bit of buffalo, a little bit of barbecue sauce, you know, just, and maybe even throw in a little honey mustard. Throw that in real quick. Yeah, real quick. I do. I be thinking about some random stuff. Okay, here we go. Look, they packaged this for real. Dang. It's gonna take me all day to unwrap this. That's why you got to have your trusty dusty scissors. Your trusty dusties. Alright, here we go. This is all of what I've ordered. I ordered like $12 worth of stuff. I think it was really $8 worth of stuff, but you know, plus tax, plus shipping, whatever. So it was like $12. Oh my god, these look good. Dang, you playing? Oh my god, these look good. Oh, you playing? Girls are playing while you playing. Look at y'all. These are $1 lashes. $1 lashes. $1. Baby, where you getting it? Baby, where you getting it? How you the same kind of lash. This is the only lash that really appealed to me off of that website, and they're really dramatic, honey. And when you purchase this, the donation, the money goes towards animals or whatever. So these are really cute, and these are in Vanessa. Both of them are Vanessas. Like, yes, $1 for some lashes? Yes, Nessa. Yes, Nessa. Yes, Nessa. Dude, do y'all see the detail? Look. Do you see the details? Do you see the details? This looks really good. Oh. One thing about my lashes, I really like thick lash bands versus those skinny individual lash bands that like Ardell has. I can't work with them shits. Anywho, then I got my two beauty blenders for $1. Yeah, because I be using the Real Technique sponges and them things cost like $7. And I'm like, I'm always needing to buy another one of them things and I don't want to pay $7 for it. So, I got this one and this one. They have different shapes of the beauty blender if you don't like this shape, but I kind of got the same type of shape as the Real Techniques because I'm used to that shape and I think it's fine. I just use it for a foundation, you know, in a white. Okay, and then I got I just felt like I needed another eyeshadow brush. So I got this brush. It's a flat eyeshadow brush and it's pretty, it's like light and fluffy, but then at the same time it's dense. So it's like, it's still like solid together, good for packing on, but it's still light and like fluffy for like, not saying you can blend it, but if your brush is fluffy, fluff is for blending. Okay, there we go. And then I wanted to try this type of brush because I don't have one of these types of brushes. So I just wanted to see how my foundation would change, and I actually just bought this Sephora foundation. I don't really shop at Sephora, but I was like, I want to try the Sephora brand foundation. Okay, so this type of brush is a stippling brush, and I want to see how my foundation would be if I actually stippled it versus like painted it on or like use the beauty blender. I want to see if it changes anything with my foundation. I think this smaller one that comes with it, I don't know, I gotta see on the website. I feel like you can stipple this underneath your eye with the skinnier one, but I think I really just mainly got this, and I was like, well, if it's $1, then I'm gonna get 2 for $1. So okay, so I'll show y'all in my next clip the other beauty goods that I got that are not Shop Miss A, but other new products. Continuation of this beauty haul will be in another video. Speaking of my videos, here are my recent uploads that I would love for you guys to check out and share, as well as in the description box I will leave my 6th playlist that features about relationships, chit chat, get ready with me, hair tutorials, wig reviews, vlogs, all that good stuff. Down to earth videos are down there in the description box, as well as a Line by Design coloring book encouraging women to get back to their wants, needs, and desires. That will be available on Amazon to purchase and to help you to make yourself as first priority. Sincerely investing in dreams. It's your girl, Sincerely Yana.